Hello, my name is Nirupam Mondal and this is my project called Task Manager. You can find me on GitHub under this username. I am from Kolkata, India. Let's take a quick look at what this project does. This is my command line task manager built using Python. It will help you keep track of your task in an easy way. Let's run the app. Here there are two options, create and open. I will be first selecting create. In create, you will have to add a task with few details like title, start and end dates, priorities and status. Now here I have used S for save to save this file and then used AC for save and exit option. You can directly use AC for save and exit. Now I will open a previously saved file to demonstrate the report section. D shows how many tasks are overdue. P shows which one are the most urgent, and R shows how much time is left for each task. Use del to delete a task. Use view to see the detailed list of tasks you have in a file. Now we don't have the task that was overdue, and so if we check the report again, it will show not enough data to report. This is the save as option to save the existing file to a new location or to a new file format. Oh, sorry for the typo there. Anyway, here you can use two extensions, CSV and JSON, to save your files. Thanks for watching. Bye.